Writing style engaging. Hey spicy food lovers. Today I'm diving into the fiery world of hot peppers. You know, the ones that make your eyes water and your tongue dance. Let's uncover the spicy truth. Are hot peppers actually dangerous, or do they hide some secret benefits? First off, let's talk heat. Peppers get their kick from a compound called capsaicin. It's the hero behind that burning sensation. And believe it or not, it packs some serious health perks. Capsaicin has been shown to boost metabolism and might even help in losing those stubborn pounds. But here's where it gets really interesting. Capsaicin is also a pain reliever. It's used in topical creams for arthritis and muscle pain, so eating hot peppers could actually help soothe your aches. Now, for all the heat enthusiasts out there, I know you're wondering, can I have too much of a good thing? Well, yes, eating too many hot peppers or extremely hot varieties like the Carolina Reaper can lead to discomfort. I'm talking nausea, intense stomach pain, and even severe digestive issues. So, moderation is key. Also, for those who aren't used to the heat, diving into the deep end of the spice pool might be more shocking than enjoyable. Starting small and building up your tolerance is the way to go. And for the daring souls interested in trying the hottest peppers on the planet, remember, it's not just a culinary experience, it's an adventure. Make sure you're prepared, stay hydrated, and never, I mean never, touch your eyes after handling these fiery beasts. So, are hot peppers dangerous? They can be if not respected. But with the right approach, they offer a world of flavor and health benefits. Whether you're spicing up your meals or seeking natural pain relief, peppers are a versatile and vibrant addition to your diet. Just handle with care and enjoy the ride on the spicy side of life. Thanks for tuning in, spice lovers. Keep those taste buds adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next one.